Hey everyone. Alrighty, so I got a 2001 Dodge Dakota. It's got the V6 42 RE transmission. I believe the V8s have the 46 RE. I'm pretty sure the procedures are the same for this, but I just want to go over it because I didn't really find anything on the web, on YouTube or anything about it. Some things here and there, but the shifter cable decided to go out on me. I use this truck for plowing, and I gotta replace parts here and there, but this one is a kind of a pain in the ass, but it's not too bad if you know what you're doing. So what you're gonna want to do is put the car in park. If you can't get it in park like mine, I had to actually move the lever, and the lever is right down here. I'll show you where it's at. It's right where the output shaft on the differential is there. And if you look up, you can see that's the cable right there next to the starter. And then just be careful if this is hot because the exhaust is right here. And let's see here. There's that, and then it connects right there. So that silver thing where that where the cable goes into, all the way backward towards the rear of the vehicle is going to be your park position. So if you can't get it in park, just put the lever up. Make sure you chock the tires or have someone do it, and then go ahead and just force that all the way to the back, and you're not going to hurt anything because that's exactly what the cable is doing. So basically you're going to want to unhook this here off that lever, and that it'll just pop right out. There's a bushing on there, and then on the back side there, it's right there, there's like little tabs. You just want to push those two in, and then that whole cable will pop off. And then what you're going to want to do, I mean, you could do this either way. You could do it up here or down there first. And then the mounting position for it is actually under the brake booster, so it's kind of you can't really get to it from over here. You got to go from the dash side. And then you're going to want to take a T20 Torx, and you're going to take the column off for the steering. There's three, you'll see under there, there's like three little bolt holes. Just take those three off, and then the plastic piece will pop off the top and it'll pop off the bottom. And then there's this main like kick panel there that's also held on by three 20 Torx. There's one here, there's like one over here, and then there's one on the back side. And then just go ahead and just pull that straight out, and you're going to want to pop these little tabs out. Just pull that straight out, and then from in here to disconnect, again, make sure this is in park. And let's see if we get in there. This is going to be connected there. It's pretty simple to unhook. Once it's connected there, literally just pull it straight back and it'll pop off. And then again, these have the tabs on there, so you're going to want to push the tabs in up here, and then this will actually feed through. And then to get it mounted off the firewall, it's a 15 millimeter. And there are those two right there, just to the left of the intermediate steering shaft. You'll see one there and then one there, and then you'll pop them off. And then to adjust it, there is an adjustment on it. It should be okay. I had to get this from the dealer. It was a dealer only part. I looked everywhere for it. I ended up getting it on what was the guy's name? It should be on here. Yeah, it was Steve White Dodge Chrysler Jeep. I just found him online. I used a discount code. I ended up getting it for like 138 shipped, which is pretty good because everywhere else wanted like 150. So if you got any questions, just comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. All right?